Hey guys, Lexi here, and today we're going to be doing our D.Va makeup. There's a lot of background noise going on, so if you hear that, I'm sorry. I look kind of like crap, so I'm sorry again. But I printed off some little D.Va face stuff and I cut them all out and I'll put this on my face. But I'm thinking to do my makeup first and then put it on and hope that all the water from the tattoo doesn't wash off my makeup. So we'll see how this goes. This is just like a test. And if it works out good, then it works out good. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I'm still going to post it regardless. So let's get started on the D.Va makeup and wish me luck and let's hope it goes good. So let's get started.
Damn.
Think you can keep up with me? No. D.Va, MVP, ultimate ready. Oh, you must like me. Nuh-uh. GG. This point has my name written all over it. Payload's moving, new objective. Get on it. Are you even trying? LOL. Sniper, don't get caught. Nice shot. That'll be play of the game. I'll take more of that. I'm not a good loser. I'm just getting warmed up. Hey, try and keep up, okay? High score for sure. HP max. Play of the game. There's no way I'm losing. Attack. We can still win this.
Okay guys, so here's the completed Officer D.Va. I really like the way she looks. I hope you guys like the way her makeup turned out. I really like it. It's just my little like pet peeve that'll be for like next time I dress up as her is I'm gonna cut the face thingies out a little smaller. Sorry, itch. I'm gonna cut the face thingies out a little smaller to where they're just the triangles so you don't see this like edging that's around it and everything, which is fine for right now, but later I won't have that. So I'm just gonna trim all that off later when I cosplay her again. So that's my only thing. If you have your tattoos, cut them more flush with your design, that way you don't have these like plastic looking wrinkles. But other than that, I really like the way it looks. What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comments below. I really like it. I don't know. I do. The only thing is that I don't have her gun yet, so that's why I have my fingers, but here's my gun for now. It'll work, but that's what I got. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for any more cosplay, hair related, or any other weird things I do. My name is Alexeja, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!